welcome to yet another vlog. And today we are planning to unbox few of our new gadgets that we have ordered. In the last vlog we have seen that we have brought a lightning to 3.5mm jack, audio jack for our Apple iPhone, and now we have ordered few more you can say gadgets for vlogging. So let's unbox and let's see how these things work. And there will be a quick review, a short review, nothing much, because we will have to use the product intensively, go through all the settings and all. So let's see how these things work. Easy, say hi, just say hi. No? Okay, so let's do the unboxing.
This is the new packing of GoPro Hero 9, and this is the official product India hologram. Now the GoPro makers are putting on the cover.
Gifted by my lovely wife. So guys, as you can see, it has got a 20 megapixel camera, 5K 30 and 4K 60 and 1080 240. It's water resistant up to 10 meters, voice control, 8x slow-mo, data overlay, time wrap, live streaming, webcam mode, touchscreen, and some hanging issues as well. Don't know, we'll see. This is a charging cable.
So this is the new GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. This is the front screen and the main camera. This is the back screen. These are the T mounts, you can say, in which we screw it up with the handheld, you can say the tripod or the selfie stick. So this is the front camera and this is the back screen. This is the mode button, the power button of the GoPro Hero 9. This is how we set up the GoPro to the quick app in the cell phone. This is the original GoPro mic adapter, and this needs to be bought separately. It is not included with GoPro, you need to buy it separately. the Ulanzi plastic case for GoPro 9, and this is basically used for mounting the camera on your helmet like this. The camera will go inside this plastic case. This is a very compact model because earlier we need to use all those glues and all those like sticking it to the helmet, but now in this the camera will go in this module, the battery part will be here, and the mic adapter will be in this cage itself, and you can also use those horseshoe mount to put your mic and all external mics, and it will be attached to your helmet.
Okay, so after using the product, I will say there is some lag, or you can say it hangs a little bit. Battery backup is not that good. This GoPro Hero 9 Black, I think battery drains off very fast. बैटरी बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म होती है. थोड़ा हैंग करता है, थोड़ा लैग करता है. हैंग किया 3-4 बार, हैंग कर गया जब मैंने यूज़ किया विद इन दैट टाइम फ्रेम. तो ठीक है, अब तो ऑर्डर कर लिया है, लेट्स यूज़ इट. और ये हर GoPro वाले की शिकायत है कि GoPro हैंग करता है और लैग करता है, बैटरी बैकअप नहीं है, तो क्या कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स यूज़ इट गाइज. ऑलराइट गाइज, टेक केयर, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय बाय.